In this video, I will show you why everyone is making the same mistakes on Solana and why they keep losing money, and I will also show you the 3 things that you actually need to start making money with memecoins. And I get it, you wanted to get rich quick from memecoins, like everyone. And recently on TikTok there was a complete flood of people who are showing you how to trade memecoins and how to make money with them. For example, TJR Knowledge, he's making a lot of TikToks and a lot of content about memecoins, and I'm not mocking him. Memecoins are actually the best way to make money in crypto right now. Memecoins are absolutely outperforming every single crypto asset. However, that doesn't mean that this is the easiest way to make money, okay? Because the reality is, most of you will lose money. Even official pump fund account on Twitter is mocking people like you and me, because we are called the retail investors, people who are just jumping into crypto and want to make some quick money. You'll probably go through TikTok and search for best meme coins to buy, what's the fastest way to make money, and you'll end up like these guys. I've only lost money, spent $200 and came back with 100, and it's not uncommon, because the reality is that 99.99% of meme coins are going to complete zero. And I was scouting pump fund for a couple of examples to show you, and this is one of the meme coins I found. A typical pump and dump scheme where the developer is launching a meme coin, he's buying a lot of supply, then he waits until some other people get on board and then he sells on them. And if you watch TikTok, you probably know the Quant Kid, who actually made a live stream where he rug pulled a lot of people, and yeah, unfortunately this is the reality on pump fund. Most of the meme coins are just scams, and not only they are pump and dumps, they are also way smarter. For example, this meme coin. This is actually funny that this one is pumping, because initially the developer bought the tokens, sold the tokens, making people lose money, and then something funny happened because this meme coin is actually pumping. And what is the reason for that? So this meme coin is a copycat of a different Chill Trump token, because Chill Guy is the current narrative in crypto, and the narrative is changing like every 2 or 3 days, so you still have to keep an eye out for that. And some people may not recognize that this is a copy, because most people don't know how to make actual research on a coin, and they will just buy anything that's on pump fund, and it's kind of funny, and other people are buying it. There's a new narrative where people are doing live streams, and this guy was on a live stream for like 3 hours, and he was just sitting at his desk doing absolutely nothing. And he also did a rug pull, and for actual pennies, because he sold like right here, and I will show you how to spot where the dev is selling in just a minute. And you have to keep in mind that most of the people who launch these meme coins are here to make money on you. They buy the supply initially, they wait until some other people will buy, and then they will sell on you. And it's also possible to completely automate this process, because most of the stuff in crypto is run by bots. That's just the reality of it. So how can you actually make money with meme coins? First thing you need is the right tools and the right knowledge. My favorite tool recently is BullX. I will leave a link to it down in the description below. It's a trading bot which also allows you to make in-depth analysis of each coin. And if you use my link below, you'll also have reduced fees, and you will pay only 0.9% on each trade. And this tool is great because it allows you to see exactly when the dev bought the tokens and when he sold. And also it allows you to show you the top traders. And this is the coin I just showed you, the Chill Trump, which is actually pumping right now. And you can see how much people already made. And the developer made on this meme coin $137, which isn't a lot. However, this guy launched multiple tokens. I'll show it to you in just a second. However, this tool is great because it allows you to see everything clearly in one place. It's way easier to navigate than pump fund. And it also allows you to see what are the top holders of this meme coin So you can see when the top holders are accumulating, if they are selling, how much supply top 10 holders have. And this is good info to know, because sometimes if this number is crazy high, there is a high chance that they're going to dump on you. And you have to be very careful with trading meme coins on PumpFun. This is another meme coin that this guy who launched copy of Chill Trump created. And in just 1 minute and 47 seconds, he managed to make 2.2 thousand US dollars in less than 2 minutes since launching this scam coin. So you have to keep that in mind. Every single time you see a coin on PumpFun, it's not an investment, it's an actual gamble. So if you decide to trade these meme coins, don't put all of your money in one basket. Make sure to make some due diligence using BullX. And I get it, you probably want to turn like $10 into multiple thousands of dollars, and it's possible. It's very, very possible using meme coins. However, there is one crucial thing you need, and that's cash flow. If you have like, let's say $100 and you have no income and you cannot actually lose this $100, never invest into meme coins. Because chances of actually making profit with meme coins with such little amount of money is very low. Every single time you see these screenshots of phantom wallets with multiple thousands of dollars in them and that, oh, I invested only $20. Yeah, it's possible, but this guy didn't tell you that before he found this coin, he had to buy 200 rug pulls and lose a lot of money before finding this one that actually made him money. And this is the most important lesson in crypto. It's all the game of survival. So you need actual cash flow that you can put into crypto and try to find this meme coin that's going to change your life, because I'm not questioning it. You can make life-changing money with the right meme coin. However, finding it requires a lot of luck, a lot of capital upfront, and it's not guaranteed that you can actually jump on the right meme coin and buy it at the right time, and what's most important, sell it at the right time. And that's where the third part of this video comes. You need to have a strategy, because finding random tokens on PumpFun won't make you rich. I repeat, aping into random shitcoins on PumpFun won't make you rich. You will most likely lose all of your money. So, what's actual strategy that you can potentially use to find a right meme coin? First, you will need a tool like BullX. Then in BullX, you can use Pump Vision. And this allows you to look at this entire market in a bird's eye view. It can show you every coin that is launching on PumpFun, every coin that's about to graduate, and every coin that recently graduated. And graduated means that it actually got listed on Radium and it's no longer trading on PumpFun. And using Pump Vision, you can actually spot the narratives, because at least at the moment of recording of this video, Chill Guy is still somewhat popular. Obviously, this narrative is going to change in the next couple of hours or maybe days. However, here you can find potential meme coins that fit this narrative and you can potentially profit from it. For example, I showed you this Chill Trump, okay? And this is the beta play of the main narrative of Chill Guy. And Chill Guy has hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap, and this Chill Trump won't go that far. However, you can still make some money from it. And if you spot this main narrative that's actually booming on Twitter, TikTok, etc., you can try to find beta plays like Chill Trump. And full disclaimer, it doesn't mean that the beta plays are going to make you money, okay? It's still a gamble. However, if you take a look at the random meme coin, is Pepe Hype going to $1 million of market cap? At least in my opinion, is very unlikely. And as we can see, the developer already sold all of his supply. So you have to actually look for the narrative, and you saw it live. finding random meme coins and buying them is not the right idea. At least follow the main narrative. And also, you need to know when to sell. And if you don't have much time to stare at the screens all day, you need to automate this process. And in BullX, you can create automations to sell meme coins for you. All you have to do is go here to automations and click create new strategy. And you can set up your stop loss. For example, if meme coin is going to drop by 50%, you are going to sell everything. And then you can create strategies for taking profits. When you make a 2x, you're going to sell 50%. This is the most common strategy. Then you can create an order, and when the meme coin is going to increase by 500%, you're going to sell additional 10%. And then you can manually shave off some profits when the coin is going up. And that's just the example. You'll have to find the perfect strategy that works for you. It's something that you have to experiment with because the selling strategy largely depends on the amount of money that you actually can use. And in my future videos, I'm going to create a complete breakdown on BullX and how to use it, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss it. Just to recap, here are the 3 things you need to make money trading meme coins. First, the right knowledge and the right tools. Second, consistent cash flow so you can put it into crypto. And the third, strategy to find the meme coins and know when to sell these meme coins. However, if everything you saw today seems kind of confusing, think that it's way too hard for you to actually learn, I created a video which shows you how you can make money from meme coins in the most boring way possible. However, it works. You can click the link here.